Díomh go léir Darragh O'Brien an seo ara tíochta rialtas áitiúil agus idracha. Housing for all is at the heart of Fianna Fáil policies. We want everyone to have access to good quality homes where they're safe and secure. I'm delighted to tell you that we've exceeded our July Stimulus Voids programme target for 2020. Voids, as you may know, are homes that are vacant, some in a state of disrepair that we see across all our cities and towns in this country. And as part of the stimulus I announced last July, I allocated €40 million to bring 2,500 void homes back into our social housing stock. And we've actually managed to exceed this target with 2,565 refurbished homes back allocated by the end of 2020. Overall in 2020, 3,600 vacant homes were brought back into social housing stock for those on our housing lists and for those who are experiencing homelessness. That's the largest amount ever brought back in a Voids programme. This is really good news and very welcome, because we all know that COVID-19 and the shutdown in construction has impacted on our social housing delivery somewhat. I'd really like to thank all the local authority teams and my Fianna Fáil colleagues on county and city councils all across the country for engaging with the scheme so enthusiastically and working really hard to get these homes repaired and re-let to people who need them. Gurra míle maith go léir.